We're seeing innovation around AI, automation, data and robotics converging.
I think it's going to be perhaps the biggest change in computing and user interface.
It's going to reshape how companies think.
And this is creating lots of exciting new possibilities.
I think it's a game changer.
Generative AI has been the dominating conversation from boardrooms to newsrooms. It's been breathtaking and it's also been exciting.
The whole airline industry has changed post-pandemic. The way we need to interact and deliver our services for our customers, taking people to where they want to go.
Technology plays a fundamental part of every travel company now. I don't think you could have a travel company which didn't rely in some way, shape or form of technology. Virgin's no different.
Well, it's a really exciting moment in terms of generative AI, Copilot coming in. People are talking about it, focusing on it. I can see lots of opportunity for us.
Virgin Atlantic is a premium airline. We have a laser focus on user experience, on customer experience, the end-to-end journey. It's a real privilege to be part of it.
I want to thank Payman, confirm that I'm going to send an invite for a catch-up. You can ask it to start generating you a response. There you go, Bob, time saved.
Copilot is your AI assistant within M365 application. So if you've got Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, you now have Copilot embedded in that. I don't think we have a single user at Virgin Atlantic that does not use those applications. It was brought to our attention by Shai. It's quite amazing when it comes from that high level.
Copilot was an interesting proposition. It was something which we felt could be easily adopted. The hypothesis was that by applying Copilot across the estate, we could halve the time people spend on administrative activity.
Initially, we were always looking at it as a bit of a project. So it was like, what's our return on investment? How could I measure my role today with and without Copilot? Is it making me more efficient? But I think the more we've dug into that, it's not actually that easy to do. I think we're now looking at it more on a kind of return on engagement for employees, like how can it help free up some of their time to not be doing the really kind of mundane tasks, but actually doing more kind of problem solving and thinking.
You know, we're really interested to see how we could utilise it, how we could benefit from it, and hopefully make our lives easier.
You can ask what's hot in my inbox, for example, and it will pick out things it thinks are important.
It's exciting to see how it can help us and support us and drive us at Virgin Atlantic.
Our ambition, once we've kind of got satisfied that the data is going to be safe, is to actually be able to roll out more broadly. Some of this will just become second nature and we'll be adopting it very quickly. You can say, yeah, add that to a new sheet, and then a new sheet will pop up. People that are on the early access programme here within the office have really kind of been wowed by what it can do. Been trialling it obviously with Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc.
Copilot is secure and it's based on our security policies we currently have. So if you have implemented a security policy based on the security infosec requirements, it's inheriting all of that. I'm really glad to see that Copilot is based on Microsoft's solid approach to compliance, privacy. Responsible AI is key here for us as well.
It's really, really powerful. We're really happy to be working with Microsoft on this as a partner, leveraging this technology to better serve our customers, but in a responsible way. So I think the exciting bit will be how we can deploy this within our operation, actually use it to better serve our customers, to be more slick, more efficient within our operation space. I'm not saying self-driving aircraft, but it's where can we go next in terms of the multiple roles and opportunities we've got across the operation and the customer serving teams.
Look at the data first, then I would apply Copilot over the top of that.
Deployment to the users is also seamless.
Rather than just think, oh, we've got this tech, how can we use it? We were like, what are the problems we know about and what could it potentially solve?
This is doing this for me. Imagine if we rolled this out tenfold across Virgin Atlantic.